Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today I want to talk about the 3 ways delaying your roofing project may cost you in the long run. So I know with this COVID-19 pandemic situation we're all in, maybe your roof is in bad situation, could be leaking, and you were in line to get a roofing project done this spring or summer. But with the pandemic we're in, you want to push that roofing project off to the fall or when stuff's a little bit more clear. And I want to talk to you a little bit about how that may not be the best cost-effective option for you. So the first way delaying your roofing project may cost you in the long run is every precipitation event. Every chance of precipitation is more saturation for your roof. So maybe it's collecting rain every time, and the more rain it collects, the more of your roof it's going to have to be torn off in the long run. And when you tear off your roof, you have to pay to transport that to the local landfill. It takes the roofer's time to remove your roof, put new material back on it. So every time it rains, it's causing more damage to your roof. It's going to cause more damage in the long run. I look back at 2019 in Northeast Ohio, and every month was around 3.5 inches of rain. So if you delayed your roofing project 4 months, you're typically adding 14 inches of rain onto your roof. I don't know how much of your roof is going to be more saturated after all that, but I know it's going to be more cost effective to do your stuff now than later. Number 2 is restoration. So at West Roofing, a lot of roofs we do that are in pretty good condition, they're leaking a little bit, but less than 25% of the roof is saturated. We can restore that roof using silicone coating. And what we'll do is we'll identify which areas of your roof are wet, remove those, put new similar roofing material back on there, and then put silicone coating over your whole roof. We call it an SRM system. Pretty much the fluid applied silicone material goes over your entire roof, and it gives you a new 10, 15, or 20-year warranty. That's, you can do that instead of ripping the entire roof off, but really the 25% saturation is the threshold. So if your roof's already leaking and you delay it 4 months, you could be pushing a potential roof that could be restored, and now it's got to be fully torn off. Restoration is about $2 to $3.50 a square foot. To fully rip off your roof completely is at least $5 a square foot. So huge difference in price there. So another reason why you don't want to delay it. And the last reason is other structural damages. I'll just put other damages there. If your roof's already bad and it's getting more stuff in there, it's only going to get worse. You could rot out your deck. You could have mold in the interior of your building. You could, the roof could collapse. You could have interior assets that are damaged. That's no good. And the safety of your team, once they come back, could be extra water everywhere, so it's definitely not good. So I know we're all in tough times here and everyone's trying to watch every penny they spend, but pretty much no matter what, if you delay your roofing project 4 or 5 months to a roof that's already bad, it's going to cost you potentially a lot more in the long run. So hopefully you learned at least one thing new today. If you want to learn more details about this, the URL to the full blog post is in the description. And thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.